This quick video is about how to switch mobile data on dual SIM iPhone. Either you could use dual eSIM or one physical and one eSIM. The same process applicable for both. Okay, first open settings and open cellular. Now tap cellular data. Here you can see the two options, primary and secondary. For me, I'm using eSIM on my primary, and secondary it's a physical SIM. So what you have to do means just select one SIM. For example, if I have the internet on primary SIM means just select this as primary. That's it. After you turned on your mobile data, your mobile use your internet from your primary SIM. If you want to switch this to secondary, just came here and switch this to secondary. That's it. When you turn off the mobile data, then it goes off. Just like that. This is how you can switch mobile data on dual SIM iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.